about the type of feedback you get from your clients after you finish a job.
Yeah. So, with every person, there's a different appreciation for clean.
Yeah,
We have some people who are like, oh, it's like I can come in and I can just relax. Like they just absolutely are feeling so refreshed by it. We have
yeah,
some people who will say, like, I love that it's not like smelly and it doesn't smell like a swimming pool in here or things like
yeah,
that.
hmm,
Or a lot of people comment on the cleaner, like they did a great job. They worked really hard. They
yeah,
were on time and things like that. Um, Obviously, you get any sort of constructive feedback that you get. It's really helpful for us to get. We actually really
yeah,
appreciate that. We don't
yeah,
shy away from that forward type of person who's going to tell us, okay, like this, and this, and this weren't done
yeah,
hypothetically, like if that were the scenario. We
yeah,
actually love that, and whatever feedback comes, we give directly to the cleaners. And
good,
so, good or constructive, whatever it is, we just supply that right to the cleaner so that they can continue to do a better job and the
yeah,
best job that they can do. So we're really thankful for all the feedback we've gotten, and even like
good,
yourself, like you've given us
yeah,
great feedback. And I
yeah,
mean, we appreciate the people who are like just so in love with like getting their house clean. But we love the people who are like, like they have a little bit more critique to their nature.
yeah,
So
yeah,
we like both. It's
yeah,
helped support our business, both of those things, and helped us feel like we're doing something that's effective and it's actually helpful for people. But it's all a blessing. So whatever.
that's great.